What I like most about the College of Business here at Cal Poly Pomona is that learning extends beyond the classroom. We take on real-world projects and build the kind of skills that make a real impact in our careers and our communities.
So what sets Cal Poly Pomona apart from other institutions is our Become by Doing philosophy.
We're the only business school that is in a campus that has an explicit polytechnic focus. Our students become winners by doing. They become successful by doing. They become future business leaders by doing.
This is not just a tagline, it's our commitment to real-world hands-on learning, and we start this from the students' first semester.
Our philosophy is we want to teach people the real world.
We encourage students to participate in extracurricular activities. It's very important to develop additional skills, especially with other students. A great opportunity for doing that is participating in the clubs.
Currently, I work in the Security Operations Center at SpaceX, and I really think my time at Cal Poly, particularly participating in these competitions and helping lead some of the clubs here at Swift, really helped me hone the skills that I needed to succeed in my job.
I'm part of the Student Managed Investment Fund. I'm part of the Finance Society on campus, as well as I'm part of a business fraternity called Alpha Kappa Psi. So I think finding my niche and where I can build relationships and be a part of the community, I think that was the most rewarding experience that Cal Poly had to offer me personally.
The thing I'm most excited about is the MBA capstone project. This year we're doing a business consulting project for Cal Poly Pomona's Lyle Center for Regenerative Studies. So I'm really excited about the opportunity to apply all of the business practices that we've learned to a nonprofit organization. It really rounds out the MBA experience for me.
So I think the alumni has been a key component of our success, and I'm very proud of how much they've come back and stayed connected with us.
They serve on advisory boards, they come to our campus as guest lecturers, and they always inspire and motivate our students.
I'm Dave Singelyn. I'm a Cal Poly alum, and I'm the proud donor and founder of the Singelyn Graduate School of Business. There are very, very few institutions that provide the experiences that you will get at Cal Poly Pomona. An education, a very unique community, and a hands-on environment. And at the end of the day, it's more than just the hard skills that you're learning. It's developing you as a complete person, and Cal Poly Pomona does that very, very well.
We elevate our students. We have students who come from first-generation families, and after the education they receive here, we elevate them to a more prosperous economic future.
And to me, the most proud moment is when one of my students gets a job that they never thought they would get. And it transforms and changes their lives, and they come back, they thank you, they appreciate it. That makes everything worthwhile.